Yo, what's up guys, Kodybod here. I just got this in the mail today. It is for my content creation and my live streaming. It's a light for my live streaming for my phone, and we're gonna unbox it. So here is my, let's unbox this. Let's see if I can get this out without destroying the box. I'm not really good on unboxing, so bear with me. This is cool. That it? Anything else? Oh, just instructions. So, yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna keep these instructions. I won't really need this. What is this useful? What is this used for anyway? I don't know. Oh, I see. Do you guys know what this is for? I'm not going to use this part, but I know here's the light. And then definitely going to use this because this is for my phone. And then here's the USB-C. How do you put it on the phone though? Oh, is it? Oh, it is. So here's this. My box fell. But yeah, I ordered this because I'm going to be going live in a few minutes on TikTok. So let's see how. Let's see. There's a USB-C. I'm definitely gonna have this put together. I'm not good at unboxing, so bear with me. So, and I think what you do is, blooper right there. I hate bloopers. Yep. I put it on like this. Cause wait, let me just check something, chat. Or I feel like I'm there we go. And then if I turn it on, hey, what gives? Why isn't it turning on? Hold on a second, chat. Oh. Hello. Oh wait, never mind. I can't. Hold on. Yeah, I have to get I have to get one of those screw-on things, so that's worthless. I just gotta figure out why it isn't turning it. Oh wait, nope, that was just my TV. Oh, I see. I have to charge it. Sometimes they would come pre-charged, but nope. So, yeah, this is what I got. It will be on my live. So yeah, that's my that is my light that I got from my streaming. So you won't have to see this glare anymore. You'll see me crystal clear. So thank you for watching. That was my unboxing of a light for my my phone. So yeah, keep flowing, keep going. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Peace.